Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark in Canva by using Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button from the left hand side, then you have to simply type in the Chrome from here or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that you have to simply type in www.canva.com, and once you're in the Canva you have to simply open up the file that you would like to remove the watermark. So for example, I'd like to remove the watermark for this, then simply click on the image, then simply click on the edit from the top navigation bar, and after that you have to simply choose the magic eraser from here. This is the premium version, so you have to purchase the Canva Pro to use it. And after that, here you have to choose the brush size, and here you can see that just select the watermark that you would like to remove. Here you can see the watermark is already showing here, and just simply click on the erase option from here. Here you can see the erase option, and if you click on the erase option, it will take a couple of seconds to remove the watermarks. Here we can see the magic eraser is in process. Here you can see that all the watermark has been removed. So thank you very much for watching this video.